In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HubSpot with Zoho step by step in just a few minutes. First, you need to head over to the Marketplace tab. Click on the Marketplace icon to open it. Then click on the search bar and type Zoho. You can see Zoho CRM, Zoho Mail, Zoho Books, Zoho Invoice, Zoho Analytics, and more. Just choose the Zoho app you want to install. I'll select Zoho CRM. From here, you can see that it requires a paid HubSpot subscription, so make sure to take note of that. The good news is this is a HubSpot certified application. Click on Install. Then click on Connect to Zoho CRM. This will open a new window where you can sign in to your Zoho account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Enter your Zoho credentials and continue. Once you're signed in, HubSpot and Zoho will be connected and ready to use. And that's it for this tutorial. If this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tips. I'll see you in the next one.